I'm Jan Kessel, the president of Environics Analytics, and I'm pleased to announce the acquisition by Environics Analytics of the Boire Filler Group, one of Canada's leading analytics and modeling firms. This is a great development for us and for our customers. More and more brands are working on understanding their customers and turning data into insights and insights into action. In order to do that, they have to get their hands on their data. The data has to be cleaned and organized and accessible so that projects that involve personification, segmentation, media mix optimization, and other kinds of analytical processes are based on the best data. We think that bringing together the talent and expertise of the Boire Filler Group with Environics Analytics is going to enhance our capability to do that with our customers. I'd like to introduce Larry Filler, Richard Boire, and Evan Wood, who are going to talk about the implications of this and the plans that we have as a result of this acquisition. First of all, Larry, talk to us about how you think your customers are going to benefit from this joining forces with Environics Analytics.
Sure. Thank you, Jan. Well, first of all, Rich and I and the rest of the BFG team are thrilled to be joining forces with Environics Analytics. We really see it as a way to move not only our joint forces together, but the whole industry forward as we combine the specialty skill sets that we provide and sort of the predictive and customized analytics to your emerging practice of customized analytics, but your data sets and products that you've been offering for years. I think for our clients, it provides, and our prospective clients, a wonderful opportunity of putting all of that under one roof. And clients today are looking more and more for a complete solution where not only are they getting the analytics, the data, but they're also getting individuals that can help them implement the solutions to really improve their business results. So Rich and I see this as a great way forward.
Great. And we see that as a key advantage, that customers, instead of having to go to different suppliers to work with their data and work with their analytics, can have it all under one roof. And Richard, I'm sure that you're going to be a key part of that. Yes. We're really looking forward to having you join us. But from your perspective as a chief data scientist, how do you see this merger benefiting our Canadian customers?
Well, I think if you take a look at two organizations that are getting together, I think an important thing is to look at the philosophies of both organizations. And I think the common philosophy of both organizations is really providing what is the best solution, the best value for our clients. And I think both Environics Analytics and Boire Filler Group have always had that attitude, that underlying philosophy of really trying to find the best solution and value for our clients. This means developing new products, new services, taking a look at different techniques where we now have a breadth of data scientists. Certainly Boire Filler Group has access to a breadth of data scientists that we otherwise did not have in the past, and that allows us, again, to deliver what is truly the best value, the best solution for end clients. And I think that's what excites me about this merger.
That's great. We're very excited about it too. Evan, you've been working for the last several months to fine-tune or really expand the offering of custom services to our Environics Analytics clients, and adding this team of data scientists, people who have expertise in data integration, data management, gives us a big step forward. Do you want to tell us about what your vision is and where you see this helping our Canadian customers?
Absolutely, Jen. Yeah, this is a very exciting development to be, and I'm excited personally to be working alongside Richard and Larry, industry veterans, but I think I'm most excited about the fact that this really gives a huge opportunity for our clients, where we're bringing together two top-tier Canadian companies, and so it's really a situation of 1 + 1 = 3. Environics Analytics has long been known and well respected for having comprehensive data and providing a range of analytics around segmentation, site modeling, trade area analysis, and helping clients really take insight and move that into action. When you combine that with Boire Filler's core competency, I guess, in data quality and data management and some of the more advanced predictive modeling, it's very, very exciting. And I think at a time when organizations know that they have to leverage data and analytics as a competitive advantage out there today, clients can now turn to Environics Analytics more than ever before for an incredible breadth and depth of products and services and do so in a very operationally efficient way because it's all offered under one roof.
That's great. Well, we're all looking forward to great things to come.